In this video, we're going to set up a multi-camera virtual set effect and use key tie so our cameras and virtual set backgrounds are paired together. To start, first press Menu, then go to Keyer Settings. Go to Keyer and select Key 1. Set the Keyer control to Chroma and Self as seen here. Your key source will be your first camera input, your wide shot, for example. Next, go to Key Source. We're going to use the Key Tie feature so that the correct virtual set background will always be paired with the right camera input. So make sure that Key Tie is set to On in the menu. Next, let's go back to Keyer Control. For Fill Source, select a virtual background that is designed for a wide shot. This virtual background can be imported into the still store of the HS3200 and be loaded as one of the open input slots on the switcher. Please refer back to Chapter 6, Section 6-2 for how to import still images into the HS3200. On your control panel under Keyer Controls, press Key 1 Preview and Key 2 Program. You should see the camera input being keyed over a virtual background you have selected. If you need to make adjustments or improvements to your key, remember to always check your lighting before making adjustments on the switcher. Go back into the Keyer Setup menu and adjust the values. You can simply press Chroma key Auto to do auto adjustments, or you can do the adjustments manually. Press Menu to exit. Repeat the same steps to set up Chroma key for a close-up shot in Key 2. If the green screen doesn't completely fill your shot, or you want to crop out certain areas of your frame, use the Mask feature to remove unwanted edges. Now you can transition using cuts, dissolves, and wipes between your two virtual set angles.